So I've got this Samsung washer, just a regular top load. Had it for about 6 years now. And problem is, every now and then I get all these like little flakes, like little dirt flakes in here all around. And they get all over the clothes, and then I find them in my my dryer lint trap later. They're kind of annoying. And I know that my clothes don't have that much stuff in there. Like, it's not something that's coming out of my clothes. So I used a screwdriver. I popped this little center cap up, and I found all kinds of nasty junk in there. So I'm going to clean that out and see if that helps the situation. All right, so next, you're going to want to take that bolt out of the middle. It's a 10 millimeter. It's right there. It was a little bit tight, so I had to work it back and forth a little bit before I was able to turn it all the way out. But it's a regular thread. It's lefty-loosey. I thought for a second it was reverse thread, but it's not. So definitely lefty-loosey. But then I was able, once I got the bolt out, I was able to get my screwdriver right under the lip here and lift the whole thing up. And you won't believe this. Got this little hubcap deal. And look how nasty that is under there. So that is where all that dirt and nasty stuff was coming from. So I'm gonna see what I can do to clean this up, and then we'll put her back together. So if you thought that guy in the bottom of the washing machine was bad, check this out. I brought this over to the sink to wash it. I was just gonna wash that part right there. Look at this. That is so gross. So I'm gonna be hand scrubbing this in the sink, and hopefully it'll get clean. All right, I got it approximately 95% cleaner. I'm not going to spend too much more time on it, because when I throw it back in, I'm going to do one of those self-cleaning cycles and hopefully get the last bit of it. All right, it's already looking much cleaner. While I was washing the centerpiece, I ran just a quick cycle, just a little quick wash cycle. And now I'm putting this back together. Just have to put the bolt in, put that center cap back on, and then I'm going to dump a bunch of this CLR in there. And I'm going to do one more self-clean mode with the right there, with the self-clean button right there. So I'm going to run through one cycle. It says it takes like 50 or 51 minutes to do that, and then I should be good to go. So that's it. It already looks much cleaner. And I'm going to run this self-clean cycle, and hopefully it even gets better. But if you're having any problems with like debris or nastiness in the bottom of there, I hope this helps you out. Take care, guys.